So hey guys, this is Bola Vada. Welcome to my another video. Welcome to our channel Right Devil. So today we are going to learn how to make a banner on the Termux like this. Like I have a banner on my Termux. This banner is White Devil, and you can also make this banner very simple way. You just click git clone, and then this link I will give you this link in the description section. So go and copy this link and paste it over there. I have download Tamax banner, but I show you how to download it. So you have to just download git clone, and when you when you paste it over here, so uh, you just enter it like this button, which is near to www dot, hit enter. So and then press Y. If they ask for yes, so press yes, and if they ask for Y, so press Y. And then I have download this, so I am not downloading once again. So then when you downloaded it, so go for CD, then Termux, then Termux, then hyphen, which is not hyphen, and hyphen, then hyphen. I have some keyboard error, so I did this again and again. Banner, and then hit enter, then ls, and you have requirement.sh. You have to give the permission of requirement.sh. So the requirement.sh downloads all the dependencies which is need to make a banner. So for this you just type chmod plus x. I give this command in description too. So you just you just type chmod plus x requirement.sh, and then hit enter. It will be going to green, like all of these all are white. But when I am going to when you are going to give the executive command, so it will going to be green. So when it is green, so the requirement.sh going, you have to give the permission requirement.sh and tban.sh. Then bash, you have to done t, you have to type t, you have to type small tab t ban t hyphen. I just copied it and paste it over there, because there are so many problems in my keyboard. I don't know what the problem it is, because I have. So it is asking for your banner name. What is your banner name? So I will give uh, love, which is my name, love. I will give love, then hit enter. What is your cow say name? It will ask you cow say name. You can give this anything, you can give any name. What do you want? So I will give Deep Love. So you are good to go. So your work is done, and now you just go and off this mode. Then when you open it again, so there you have, you got the your name banner. So our video is now finished. If you are new in my channel, so welcome to my channel, and if you want to learn hacking, so please subscribe my channel. And if you want some tricks and freaks about Kali Linux, Termux, and Parrot OS, and so many other things, so please I suggest you to subscribe me and share this to your friends, colleagues, and your relatives. Thank you for watching.